Hello everybody, my name is Joseph Morales. I am currently a Stockton senior. I'm a computer science major, and some of the activities that I do at Stockton are I'm part of the track team. I'm also part of the SCOSA program at Stockton University. And today, I kind of just want to explain to you an understanding of AI and a guide for AI everyday life. So pretty much in my presentation, I'm going to be explaining what is AI. So basically, AI, or artificial intelligence, is technology that allows computers to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. This can include tasks like recognizing voice, understanding text, or even solving problems. AI works by processing data and learning patterns over time, which helps it improve. For example, it can learn to recognize your voice after a few tries, like when you're unlocking Siri on your iPhone or stuff like that. And the main goal of AI is to make technology more helpful by doing tasks more efficiently and accurately. Since AI is all around the world nowadays, it's so big that people are using it for everything. Jobs, writing applications, even writing papers. It's so bad, but it's so good for the community. So pretty much, we're going to start with where we see AI today. Basically, AI is already part of many tools that we use in our everyday life, including Alexa, Siri, Google AI. We see it all over. Some examples are like Siri, Alexa, which you can ask questions and set reminders, stuff like that. It can listen to your voice and it can understand you, it can recognize you. Streaming services like Netflix use AI to recommend shows or movies based on what you've watched previously. It learns from your preferences and suggests content you might like, so I'll definitely explain that to you guys later in this video. Then we also have Google Search, also uses AI to show you the most relevant information based on your search terms, helping you find the best answer the fastest way. So, how can AI help us today? Pretty much AI is helpful in many areas in our everyday life. For example, it can help you find information online by quickly sorting through millions of web pages. So all you got to do on some of these AI websites is just type what you want and it'll boom, pop up a list with everything that you need to know, even instructions, all of that. We'll get into that later. AI can also organize photos by recognizing people, places, dates, making it easier to find specific memories. I know iPhone uses this already, and I know Android uses this already. Then we also have, you can also use AI to get reminders for appointments, directions to new places, or even translate languages. There's even products like AI glasses that take information from another person that's speaking another language, and it will convert it into your ears all automatically. AI nowadays is insane. But we're going to start talking about some examples of AI. So right here, I'll blow it up for you guys. It's going to be a picture of Netflix, and it's going to show you you're recently added. It's going to show you all the AI suggestions that you have. Because you added To Kill a Mockingbird to your list, it's going to show you all other movies that are very similar to that by using AI. Then on the right, we have groups. This is pretty much your AI face recognition that will sort people, animals, places have you been, and all you got to do is just quickly select the one that you want, and it will show you everything from your camera roll of that person, place, thing, whatever you need. Some responsible uses of AI can include using AI responsibly to understand what information you're sharing. For example, avoiding giving AI too much personal information, like your address or bank details, unless it's absolutely necessary, which most of the times it's never necessary to use AI and throw your address, your bank info, because they don't need that. Why are you putting in an AI? So, and AI also keeps track of everything you've done. So later on, we'll talk about ChatGPT. If you ask ChatGPT and have an account with them, you can ask them, what did I previously talk about? And they'll go back in all your search of ChatGPT and list everything that you need to, that you used before. It is also a good idea to verify your information, the information that AI provides you. Sometimes AI can make mistakes, so double check helps ensure accuracy. There's been numerous of times that AI has made a mistake. AI is not perfect by any means. It is used as a tool and a representative to show you what you should look for, what you should learn. It's not going to be the perfect clear-cut answer most of the times, but it will give you a very good idea of what you need to know. Also, remember AI is here to assist you, not replace your own thinking. Use it as a helpful tool and not a decision maker. So that basically means don't just throw your answer or question to AI and hope for the best that it's going to give you the right answer. You already know it's not, but it should give you a very, very good understanding of what the right answer will be. Simple tools to try with AI. So basically, I'm going to be showing you a little clip it, and it will show you everything that I'm going to be talking about. So voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant can help you with reminders, questions, and directions. So right here I'll show you that how to access Siri. And you can ask it, hey, can you set a reminder for tomorrow, dentist appointment at 10 a.m. And it'll put it in your calendar, it'll throw it all where you need to, and it'll set a reminder perfectly for you. You can also ask it for directions. Hey, how do I get home? And it'll guide you right to your house. Google Photos organizes your pictures by date, location, even people in the photos. It is a great way to easily find memories. So again, I will be showing you guys this firsthand experience of using it. And then AI-based apps such as language translators can help you understand or communicate in different languages instantly, like I talked about those glasses. So here is pretty much how to access Siri. So on an iPhone, what you're going to do is you're going to hold down the right side button, and you should see a little bubble pop up on your screen. That bubble will mean that Siri is activated and you're able to ask it any question you would like, whether that be going to the store, how to get home, setting a reminder. You can also, with AI on Siri, you can say, hey Siri, and set that up where you can be prompted with Siri without using your hands or clicking the button. That's done by voice recognition AI. Now here is on an Android. It's going to be very similar to do. You are going to hold down the right side button, and it's going to pop up a little bubble, and you'll see that it's going to ask you for a prompt or give you a question that you need, and you just tell it, and it should answer it pretty good for you. Now let's try websites. So this is ChatGPT. I will guide you how to get to ChatGPT in a little snippet on the side right here. It will pretty much tell you, hey, type in ChatGPT on your web browser. You're going to either log in or you can use it freely. Then you can ask it a prompt. So pretty much in this prompt, kind of hard to read, but you can ask it anything. It could be recipes. It could be how to make something, a guide to using a device, anything like that. It will give you a very, very good detailed explanation of how to use it and how to move forward with using it. Interacting with safety. So always use trusted AI apps and websites when you're interacting with AI. Avoid downloading unknown programs as they may not be secure. So ChatGPT and some other programs can allow you to download files. Usually I don't prefer to do that just in case there's some security issues, but like if you wanted to make you an Excel graph, you could say, make me a downloadable link for an Excel graph, and you can just click that link and it will download right to your computer. But I don't really trust it too much. Anybody can use it. It seems safe enough, but personally, I don't use it. Then we also have never share personal details like passwords or social security numbers with AI tools unless you're certain they are secure. But when are you certain they're secure? Never. You should really never share your personal information with AI. It's not right to do. Just keep it to yourself. You should really be asking AI questions that aren't too much catered to your personal life. It should be more a broader question that you just need quick understanding of. Then, if you're unsure about an answer for an AI, ask a trusted person or verify the information. So even though you're using AI, it's not a bad idea to go to Google sometimes and even type your answer or question there and make sure it's correct, because sometimes AI, of course, is not accurate. Here are some common myths about AI. AI is a person or can think on its own. Reality, AI follows instructions set by a program and can't truly think or feel. AI is just a computer that follows patterns, and it learns by following different types of patterns. So over time, it's going to get smarter. That doesn't mean it's a person. It has feelings. It can think correctly how we think. Another myth is AI knows everything about you. Kinda. In reality, AI only knows what is being programmed to learn and what you choose to share. So it's not going to, if you're going to search your name on AI, most of the time it's not going to show up unless you're giving them so much information that they can find your name and find who you really are. But if you're asking it like, what's my dog's name? They're not going to be able to do all of that. Stuff like that is not really meant for AI. AI is perfect. Come on, guys. AI can make mistakes and is only as good as the data it has learned from. So if you're giving AI a great prompt, it should give you a very good answer. But AI is not perfect. We know this by fact because it can give you different and wrong answers. But it could be a great learning stone for you guys. With the future of AI is making a big impact in the field of like healthcare, where it helps with doctors' diagnosis, diseases early, or assist in surgeries with precision. Nowadays, they have machines that use AI to find the specific part that is injured and can tell you and guide you directly how to remove or tackle that problem. AI is also improving transportation by making cars smarter and safer with features like emergency braking and navigation. We have seen nowadays that a lot of cars, even the self-driving assisted cars, can use AI. They can use AI for driving straight, following maps, turning, all of that, and the braking. The braking is definitely one of my favorite features of AI in new modern days cars because it helps in case somebody pulls out in front of you, it emergency brakes for you, and you can always shut it off, turn it back on whenever you need. Customer service is another area where AI helps by answering questions, allowing people to get assistance anytime, even late at night. So I've read personally that trucker stops have been using AI to communicate, and so they don't have to deal with an actual person when they need to send a code or get access or with their trucker code or anything like that. They just call an AI phone number, and you can always get transferred to a representative, but most of the time they just deal with the AI. It's very simple, and it just tells you the answer that the representative is going to tell you. Also, AI can be found on a lot of websites. So I don't know if you noticed, but on a lot of websites they have something that says, ask me a question on the bottom right, or do you need help, and you ask it a question. 90% of the time, maybe even 100, it's AI answering those questions. They are feeding you what AI would tell you from the website, but they learn from previous people how to tackle these questions for you and cater to you. And yeah, that is pretty much my whole presentation. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for learning, and I hope you guys learned something about AI. Thank you.